सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 16, verse number 13. Idammadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoratham idamastidamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. In this 16th chapter, titled Devasura Sampat Vibhagam. Vibhaga means distinction between divine qualities and asuric or evil tendencies of a person. A person is mixture of good qualities as well as bad qualities. They are all expressed in the form of words, actions, at the level of thoughts. All our inner swabhava, nature, expressed in the form of manasa, vacha, karmana. We can know a person by seeing his actions, by listening his words. Of course, thoughts we do not know, but we can know his behavior by words and actions. So Lord Krishna giving how divine people, the people who are all having Daivi Sampat, noble qualities, what are the virtues they possess, and those people who are all having evil tendencies, and what are all types of thoughts they maintain and they express through the words and actions that Lord Krishna is presenting. The first 3 verses he has given the list of Daivi Sampat. Just like you write a list every month, provision list. How many years we are doing every month? Rice, thoram parappu, idella list potti nirkam illaya. So Bhagavan's list, provision list is Daivi Sampat. So Daivi Sampat, a list Bhagavan has given, a big list, nearly 26. Big list. Similarly, Asuric Sampat also, Bhagavan has given the list, and Bhagavan is elaborating that Asuric Sampat people, how they behave, how they conduct themselves in the society, and what is their lot next birth, and next Janma also what they are going to get. Bhagavan is presenting so that be careful. Bhagavan giving a warning. And finally Lord Krishna is going to say, Arjuna, don't take that Asuric Sampat. You are born with Daivi Sampat, continue it. Continue that Daivi Sampat. What is the intention of Bhagavan? To ask that Arjuna to continue in Daivi Sampat. Since you have asked for Shreyas, that is moksha, Since you have asked for moksha, Daivi Sampat is the primary requisite for moksha. Since you desired for moksha, you are a mumukshu. You must focus on Daivi Sampat. If there is any Asurik Sampat, carefully avoid it, nullify it, remove it, and be free from that. Otherwise, moksha is not possible. Not even moksha. Even you cannot live peacefully here in this life itself. You cannot live peacefully. Therefore, Arjuna, listen carefully how the Asuric people behave, they talk. And his inner feelings, Bhagavan only knows. We do not know the inner feelings of that evil-minded person, what he is thinking. Who can know other than Bhagavan? So therefore, Bhagavan is giving a clue for us. The evil-minded person think like that. And he expresses in such a way. Wherever you find this type of people, be careful, avoid them. Don't go near to them. Suppose they are your family members, very close members, suppose what to do now? If they are your family members, pray to the Lord. Oh Bhagavan, protect me from these people. You have to ask. So what is the inner feeling of these evil-minded people, Asurik Sampat people? 13th shloka. Idam adya maya labdham. From 13th shloka onwards, he is presenting their inner feelings, how they feel inside. Idam labdham. This has been obtained. Labdha means obtained, attained, accomplished. Accomplished when? Today. Adya. Maya. By me, today this has been accomplished. I have accomplished this. Imam manoratham prapsye. All my desires are fulfilled. This is. So I have a lot of aspirations in my life. And he lists out in front of all people, whoever comes, he lists out all the aspirations. I want to achieve this, I want to achieve this. And he enumerates all of them. Imam manoratham. Manoratham means sankalpas, resolutions. Desired objects, shortly manoratham. Everybody is having manoratham. Manoratham means it's not a type of chariot. Okay. Ratham means a chariot. Manoratham means a mental chariot. Of course, it is like a chariot moving all the time. Manoratham. Manasukulla irukira oru sankalpan. Desires. Prapsye. I shall attain definitely. Idam dhanam me asti. This much I have earned. This much I have earned. Idam asti. This much wealth now I have. And he says to other near and dear people, I have done the fixed deposit. This is my house property. Here one house is there. Madurai another house is there. And another Kodaikanal, another resort house is there. And this is for my daughter, this is for my son, this is for my grandson. And of course, this my old house is for my wife. This is for my wife and ivar solluvar. அது எப்படி என்ன கணக்கன மாட்டேன் இதெல்லாம். நான் முன்னாடி போயிடுவேன், இதெல்லாம் என்னோட ஒய்ஃபுக்கு தான் சொல்லிட்டு போயிடாரு. அது அம்மா அந்த அம்மா சொல்லுவா, இல்லை இல்லை உங்களுக்கு தான், நான் தான் முன்னாடி போகிறேன். எதுக்கு இந்த கணக்கண்ணா? ஸோ பீப்புள் ஆல்வேஸ் தீஸ் ஆர் கால்டு மனோரத்தம்ஸ். என்னென்னமோ பிளான் பண்ணுவான். this much dhanam I have for all people. Bhavishyati punaha idamapi. There will be much more. Later I am going to earn. Later, now today I bought a land somewhere. Now after 10 years it is going to become what? And how much amount? So much. You don't know how much it will come. That is why land property is so valuable nowadays. Plot, you have to buy a plot and you will become a richest person within no time. One student was telling, Swamini, I bought a land only for 2,000. Now today its value is 20 lakhs. Where 2,000, where 20 lakhs. அப்படிலாம் நமக்கு வரக்கூடாதோ అని தோணும். அப்போ 2000 வச்சு வாங்குறதே கஷ்டம். இப்போ 20 lakhs நோ வேல்யூ. దానికి దీనికి సరిపోయింది అన్న. అది మాదిరి దిస్ మచ్ ఐ ఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎర్న్. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్. All that I am calculating how much money is going to come, how much I have. This is his own inner vision, thinking pattern of this person. So therefore, whoever is thinking like this, under which list they come? Asuri. Namave irundha andha list la nama kuda asuri sampathu da. All the time adhe chintana, tat chintanam, tat kathanam, அந்யோன்ய தத் பிரபோதம்னு சாஸ்திரம்னு ஒரு ஸ்லோகம். எப்போவுமே சாஸ்திரம் பற்றியே பேசிகிட்டே இரு, சாஸ்திரம் பற்றியே திங்க் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருன்னு சாஸ்திரம் சொல்லுறது. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா தச்சிந்தனம், தனச்சிந்தனம், தனகதனம், அந்யோன்ய தத் பிரபோதனம். டாக்கிங் அபவுட் வெல்த் வித் அதர்ஸ்ன்னு. ஆல்வேஸ் திங்கிங் அபவுட் தட், டாக்கிங் அபவுட் தட். இதுதான் நம்ம கதனம், நம்ம சிந்தனம். உல்டா. ஓகே. Now Lord Krishna continues his inner feelings further. 14th shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. Asau maya hata shatruhu hanishye cha paranapi ईश्वरोऽहमहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहं बलवान् सुखी असौ शत्रुः मया हतः. He feels, he thinks. See, one asuri sampat will lead to another asuri sampat. One evil thought lead to another evil thought. It is like a chain. One daivi sampat, noble quality, lead to another noble quality, noble thought. So therefore we have to be careful always when any evil thought comes. It is like a chain, it go on ringing in our mind. Unless we are alert, we are watchful, we cannot control them. They will overpower us and they will make us weaker and weaker physically and mentally also. And after total disaster, we wake up. By that time, lot of disturbance in the family take place. That is why our people always say, be an association with a Mahatma all the time, so that our life will be balanced. Associate with noble people, Mahatmas. Satsangatve nissangatvam. Associate with them, have a rapport with them, contact with them, and so that your life will be balanced. Suppose noble people are not available around by, what to do now? Just you read books of those Mahatmas. At least, if you read those writings of those Mahatmas, it is as good as keeping contact with Mahatmas. So every day, why our people ask to read these things every day. Some religious books, why we have to read? For this purpose only. So that our mind will not be polluted. Our mind will not be polluted. Just like that in the climate, there are a lot of bacteria, a lot of virus. There are so many infectious things are there in the creation. But I am developing immune system to attack. My immune system must be intact so that I can avoid them outside itself. So that they will not cause any damage to my body. Similarly, there are so many evil-minded people with evil thoughts, evil actions they are doing. But how to protect myself from them? Only one shock absorber is Mahatma's association. Sat Sangaha or Satgrandha Patanam. Idu marakave kudadu. Suppose we miss this for a few weeks or a few months, again life will become more and more miserable. Idu vidave kudadu. Every day Satgrandha Patanam, Satsangam irkanu. Idu maraka kudadu. Now this person says, Asau Maya Shatruhu. This rival, enemy, competitor. Rival means what? Enemy. Who is enemy? Every competitor is an enemy. In every profession, there is a competitor. In every profession, for every product, there is a competition. This product has another competitor product, which is good. And they are advertising, Edo or shampoo vangina, 1 rupee 50 paise shampoo. If you buy that, everybody looks at you because your hair will be so long. Adukku oru 15 நிமிஷம் advertisement program. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் advertisement பண்ணுவான். This is called competition. And another, all shampoos will be down. And this competitor, he is earning money, lot of money, and do lot of pollution, everything there, adulteration எல்லாம் பண்ணுவோம். அதுக்குள்ள he is earning and putting saving. Then by that time people give fully bald head. அவன் போய் நல்ல வீடு கீடு வாங்கி நல்லா he is well established. People are only suffering. This is called competition. And they want to destroy that competitors. Materialistic people like that only, always thinking about the competitor. They want to put down him somehow or other. எப்படியாவது அவன் டவுன் பண்ணணும். இல்லைன்னா how can I thrive? How can I survive? How can I earn money? How can I buy house? How can I buy land? Therefore they go all sorts of evil, wrong methods they will go. So, hataha, போயிட்டான், கில் பண்ணிட்டான். He tells to other people and he call other people, his friends. அவன் அனுப்பிட்டான் தெரியுமா? அவனுக்கு காலி பண்ணிட்டான்னா. காலி என்ன, இந்த ஊர்லேருந்து டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிட்டான்னு அர்த்தம். ஒரு எஸ்ஐயோ ஒரு ஆஃபீஸரோ கொஞ்சம் நேர்மையா இருந்தா, so he is not listening to these politicians. Suppose a customs officer or any officer, he is not listening to these ministers, local ministers, MLAs. What will happen? Or the next day transfer vandidum. And he gets transferred, that person will go. And what this MLA says, I'm not talking about any particular MLA, okay. Generally, what is happening? And he calls his own friends and conduct a party. Em party na avan anupittan. Ipo namakku no ella green signal da. And he go on telling to other people. This is what happening. Crime branch level onwards, customs lende income tax ena ella field la appadha irukku. மோசமான and he is thriving now. He is becoming very popular and nobody knows this. Lord Krishna knows all these things so many years back. அவருக்கு அப்பவே தெரியும். என்ன இதெல்லாம் யுக தர்மம், மனுஷ ஸ்வபாவம், so common, so natural. But even though they are natural, common, they are not healthy. They are not healthy. That's what he says. Hataha maya shatruh ani solluva. This rival has been destroyed by me. And hanishyecha aparanapi. Some more are there in the list. I will send them also. Hanishye. I shall destroy. I shall destroy aparanapi. Even those people who are not at all competitors, pavam. In future, he may become competitor. Let me take care now itself. So let me send. Send means permanently or temporarily. He will send that person. How many people, good, noble people are suffering, because of one evil-minded person. How many people are suffering really? They cannot compromise with values because they stick to values. And they are never allowed to live, survive in society. Or dharmic person, it's very difficult to survive in the society. It is not only Kali Yuga. It is coming from yugas. This struggle, dharma, adharma struggle, always there. First it starts here. Dharma, adharma struggle starts in our own heart. Then slowly it goes out, percolates into the society. And that's why our Puranas, Hiranyakashipu, Ravana, idilla appave irkar. All asuras were there that time also. Now he says, Aham Ishvaraha. I am the Lord. Hiranyakashipu. Okay. I am the Lord alone. Then when Prahalada says, Om Namo Narayana. Hiranyakashipu, who is Narayana? I am the Lord. Don't say Narayana name. You have to say my name only. His own son. He ordered him that way. Aham Ishvaraha. This is called Ahankar Drishtya, he says. Vedanti also says Aham Ishvaraha. Advaiti, we say, Jiva eva Paramatma. Aham Ishvaraha. Aham eva Paramatma. Advaiti also says. Jnani also says. Then what is the difference? Ajnani also says Aham Ishvaraha. Jnani also says Aham Ishvaraha. This adharmic person also say Aham Ishvara. Hiranyakashipu also said Aham Ishvaraha. I am the Lord. Over Lordship I am only having. Appo Hiranyakashipu nu Jnani same. Here we have to understand, when this adharmic person says Aham Ishvaraha, he is talking from the Ahankara Drishti. Ahankara Drishtya Aham Ishvaraha, if you say, it is wrong. You are not supposed to say. Ahankara Drishtya, you can never become Ishvaraha. From what Drishti, what angle you can claim Aham Ishvaraha? No, only Atma Drishtya. Atma Drishtya only you can claim. Sakshi Chaitanya Drishtya only Aham Ishvaraha Asmi. Jnanam, that is called Jnanam. This is Asuratvam. Ahankara Drishtya Ishvaratvam. Or Aham Brahmasmi iti, if he says, it is called Asuric nature. Where is Bhagavan? I am only Bhagavan and Chollakudad, without Jnanam. That's what Hiranyakashipu said. Okay? That is called Asuric nature. If anybody says like that, I am only God, without studying Shastra, without knowledge, he is called Asura. Out of knowledge, you don't say, I am Ishvaraha. You don't say outside. Of course, teacher can teach, but we don't publicize, I am Ishvaraha, I am the Lord, all of you come and worship me only. But this person claimed from Ahankara Drishti, I am Ishvaraha. That is wrong. Not only that, Aham Bhogi. I am the person who is enjoying completely. I am the enjoyer, Bhogi. Suppose you have everything If you are not able to enjoy, what is the use? Person is in the wheelchair. Lot of money is there. He is not able to listen. பார்வை கூட அறக்குறை. என்ன என்ஜாய் பண்ண முடியும்? So you cannot say he is a bhogi. So this asuric person is one who is having wealth, everything, and he can enjoy also thoroughly. All sense organs are intact. He can enjoy happily. So therefore he says, aham bhogi. I am not a dukhi, I am a bhogi. I am enjoying nicely. Wherever I go, I have a guest house. In your own guest house. I need not ask anybody. People have like that. All the richest billionaires, they're all having this only. Big palace they have. Bhogi, aham siddhaha. I am fully successful person. I am the successful person in the world. எந்த பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணாலும் கூட சக்சஸ் தான். என்ன சக்சஸ்? என்ன இந்த மாதிரி சக்சஸ். And giving for interest, that interest, highest interest he gives, for a poor person, and he drags, grabbing the interest, so much of interest. And that's why they don't put money in the bank. Bankla pota koncham da varum interest. Swami enna varum bankla pota waste money. That's why they give double, triple, சக்கரவட்டி ன்னு சொல்லுவான். அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். அந்த பணம் வச்சு he is so happy. And the person who took the money, he cannot pay that what real amount. அந்த வட்டி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டுக்கு அவன் லைஃப் எல்லாம் காலி. And he has to sell his house, he has to sell his land, everything. ஏன்னா அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டுக்கே போயின்னு இருக்க சுவாமினி, மை இன்கம் ஃபுல்லான்னு சொல்கிற நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Some people, because they have to take interest for son's studies sake or something else, they have to take. And a lot of money they are paying for interest. Why not? They are charging that much. Because that person is so much thriving. And our Shastra says if you earn like that also, it won't stay. Even it stays, it will give so many problems. Disease ரூபேட, வியாதி ரூபேட அது போயிடுமா, பணம் செலவாயிடும். அதனால பாப தனம் will never allow you to live happily. Papa dhanam, that is called papa dhanam. Crushing the other's blood, it's like sucking the other's blood. அது மாதிரி பண்ண என்னதான் சாப்பிட முடியும் நீ? So in generations later, you have to see the sufferings of the kith and kin. That's why no person can be happy by giving pain to others in any form. We have to remember, by giving pain to other person in any form, a person who give that pain can never live happily, and the whole and he has to see all the pains of others, near and dear people. தூக்கமே இருக்காது அவனுக்கு. Therefore, be careful when you are earning money. Papa dhanam, runam, that is. But what is happening, whoever is having money, he is thriving. Lakshmi is very, very important. There is one shloka, beautiful shloka. Somebody wrote like this, Yasyasti vittam sanara kulinaha. If you have vittam, panam iranda podum. If you are a rich person, everybody praise. He is very great person, he is very great person ன்னு சொல்லிடுவா. ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஏன்னா அவருக்கு நல்ல பணம் இருக்கு. Whenever you go, he will give பணம். That's why some people praise that person. Yasya vittam asti, yasyasti vittam sanara kulinaha. Kulinaha is good person. He is a very, very good person. அது சும்மா சொல்லுவா. பணம் இருந்தா போதும், லக்ஷ்மி இருந்தா போதும். Everybody come and put jalra. And they are getting something from this person. Saha kulinaha nu solliduva. Really speaking, he is not like that. He appears as the hypocrite. Because of dhanam, everybody do that. Next, saha panditaha. ஒன்னும் படிக்கல, அவனுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் he is a scholar ன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு நோபல் பிரைஸ் அவனுக்கு. சஹ பண்டிதஹா ச ஸ்ருதவான் விதிக்ஞஹ, அவருக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். ஹி இஸ் a well learned person. He knows all the rules and regulation. ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது. Because he is having money, everybody says சஹ பண்டிதஹ ஸ்ருதவான் விதிக்ஞஹ, அவனுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். சஹ பண்டிதஹ சஸ்ருதவான் விதிக்ஞஹ சயேவ வக்தா, he is a very good speaker. he is a very good speaker also. எல்லாம் பொய். சஹ வக்தான்னா வெரி குட் ஸ்பீக்கர்னு சொல்லுவான். பணம் இருந்தால் இதெல்லாம் கவர் ஆகிடுமா. சஹ வக்தா சச்ச தர்ஷனீயா, இஸ் எ பர்சன் டு பி ஃபாலோடு. நீங்கள் எல்லாம் அவன் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கோன்னு சொல்லுவான். சஹ தர்ஷனீயா, ஏன் சர்வே குணாக காஞ்சனமாஸ்ரயந்தி, அவனுக்கு கேட்ட நல்ல பணம் இருக்க, சர்வே குணாக, ஆல் தீஸ் குணாஸ், குட் குட் குவாலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாமே, வேர் தே கோ, காஞ்சனம் ஆஸ்ரயந்தி, பிகாஸ் தட் பர்சன் ஹேஸ் காட் மணி. இந்த குணாஸ் ஆல்சோ கோ டு தெம் ஒன்லி. ரியலி ஸ்பீக்கிங் நத்திங் ஹி இஸ் ஹேவிங், ஓன்லி தனம். தனம் பார்த்து எப்போவுமே யூ ஷுட் நாட் கேல்குலேட் எனி பர்சன். தனம் பார்த்து எப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா அந்த தனம் மயக்கம், அது அந்த மயங்கிடுற பணம் பார்த்தாரு. ஏன்னா அந்த நெசசிட்டி மேக்ஸ் அ பர்சன் டு டாக் எனி திங். Therefore, they say this dhanam ஆஸ்ரயந்தி. But at the same time, Shastra says another sloka also. அவருக்கு பணம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி, if you worship that person who is not deserved, எத்திர அபூஜ்ய எத்திர பூஜ்யந்தே, நல்ல அழகான ஸ்லோகம். எத்திர அபூஜ்ய is not deserved to worship at all. He is not a panditaha, he is not a shrutavan, he is not a vidignaha, he don't know anything. Apujyaha yatra pujyante, he is worshipped by all people. He do not know about anything about Shastra. Such a person is worshipped. Apujya yatra pujyante. But another person, some other place, pujya namcha vyatikramam. A deserved person who knows very well Shastra, Shrutavan, Vidignaha, well learned person, all virtues he is having, pujyanam cha vyatikramam. But people don't worship him, people don't respect him. Tatra trini vartante, three will survive there. Three things will survive where people worshipped who are not deserved, they worship, and who are deserved if you don't worship, anga mood kandippa irukuma. Tatra three vartante, enna and mood enna, bhayam durbhiksham bhayam, maranam durbhiksham bhayam. Maranam, death, no? Casualties are more. Death cases are more. Maranam, நிறைய டெத் கேசஸ் வரும். எல்லாம் மரணம். பீப்புள் நிறைய பேர் டெத், பீப்புள் வில் டை தேர். மரணம். துர்பிக்ஷம், ட்ரவுட், ஃபேமின் வில் கம். சாப்பாடு கிடைக்காது அந்த இடத்துல. பீப்புள் வி ஹாவ் டு ஸ்ட்ரகிள் ஃபார் பிரெட். நோ வாட்டர், நோ ஃபுட், நத்திங். மரணம், துர்பிக்ஷம். துர்பிக்ஷம்னா ட்ரவுட், ஃபேமின். Bhayam, always fear. You are always under fear, insecurity. இந்த மூடு இருக்கும். இப்படி நம்ம நாட்டில் இருக்கா இல்லையா? எல்லா நாட்டிலும் இருக்கு. அது மரணம் நிறைய. பேப்பர் திறந்த என்ன, பாம் பிளாஸ்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ் பாம் பிளாஸ்ட், செகண்ட் பேஜ் பாம் பிளாஸ்ட், தேர்ட் பேஜ் ஆக்சிடென்ட். ஏதோ ஆக்சிடென்ட்டோ பாம் பிளாஸ்ட்டோ, ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபயர் ஆக்சிடென்ட்டோ ஏதோ ஒன்று வந்துடும். All dead bodies only we are seeing in the newspaper. Paper திறந்த dead, blood shed. அதுதான் மரணம். துர்பிக்ஷம். So there is no proper food for people. இருந்தாலும் கூட அது it won't come up to our mouth. அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடும். பயம் சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். எங்க பார்த்தாலும் பயம் பயம் பயமா இருக்குன்னா என்ன நடக்குமோ தெரியாது, எங்கே பாம்பு வைக்கிறாளோ தெரியாது. அப்படி இருக்க கண்டிஷன். சடனாக ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகிற சில்ட்ரன் பாம்பு இருக்குன்னு ஃபோன் கால் வரும். எங்கே போகிறது இந்த குழந்தைங்களெல்லாம்? ஓடி ஓடி வருவா வீட்டுக்கு. காலேஜில் பாம்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறேன், ஸ்கூலில் பாம்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறேன், டெம்பிளில் பாம்பு வச்சுட்டேன்னு சொல்லுவேன், பார்லிமெண்ட்டில் பாம்பு, எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் பாம்பு கல்ச்சர் ஆகிடுத்தேன்னு. இதுதான் பயம். வாட் ஹேப்பன் ரீசென்ட்லி இன் ஹைதராபாத் இன் எ பிக் பார்க், அம்யூஸ்மெண்ட் பார்க், அந்த செல்ஃபோன்லேயே ஒரு பாம்பு. பயம் என்ன? எத்திர அபூஜ்ய எத்திர பூஜ்யத்தே. அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. அதனால யூ ஷுட் நோ when you are worshipping a person, you should not worship a person who is not deserved. You should not neglect a person who deserved. அதையும் பாப்பந்தான். So therefore Lord Krishna says, aham siddha, I am accomplished. What accomplishment you have accomplished? Because of so much of bloodshed, because of people's struggle, pain, because of at the cost of their lives, you are thriving, you are happy, you are enjoying comforts. All these are comforts. Really you are sleeping on the thorn bed. பாப்ப முள்ளு மேல தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கேள். பாப்பப்பு தனம் என்ன மகாபயங்கரமானது. எங்கே போவா தெரியுமா? அப்புறம் சொல்றேன் பாருன்னா. What will happen? It won't leave you, that papam. Aham siddha, balavan, I am the strongest person. எல்லா போலீஸ் என்ன கையில் தான் இருப்பான். எல்லா all people are powerful. Rules, regulations, those who are all controlling, they are all under him only. Law and order is under him only. எஸ்ஐக்கு அவருக்கு சொன்ன அவர் வராருன்னா அவருக்கு ஒரு ரூலு, இவருக்கு ஒரு ரூலு. ஆர்டினரி பீப்புளுக்கு ஒரு ரூலு, அவனுக்கு ஒரு ரூலு. பணம் இருக்கு, அவனுக்கு பவர் இருக்கு. பீப்புள் ஆர் தேர். பலவான், சுகி, ஐ எம் த ஹாப்பியஸ்ட் பர்சன். ஐ எம் த ஹாப்பியஸ்ட் பர்சன் இன் த வேர்ல்ட். This is his inner feeling. Next shloka we will read. Adhyo bijanavaanasmi, konyosti sadrisho maya, yakshe dasyami modishye, ityajnana vimohitaah. When you read together that second line, it is modishya because it is followed by vowel. It is a sandhi is there. But when you read separately, modishye irukkanum. It is not a printing mistake. Modishya when you chant together. When you chant split it, it is modishye. Original rupam is modishye. I rejoice myself. Why he feels I am Balavan, strongest person, and wherever he goes, he will take the group of Jalra. You know, group of Jalra. Are there முன்னாடி போய் உட்காருவாங்க. அவர் வராரு பகுபராக்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. முன்னாடியே போய் அங்கே உட்கார்ந்து they will praise, ஜால்ரா போடுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. They sit and this is called இந்த henchman என்ன ஜால்ரா போடவர்னு அர்த்தம். அவனுக்கு அந்த பீப்புள் இருந்தாலே இவனுக்கு தூக்கமே வரும். Otherwise he cannot sleep. Some people should be there to always praise him. That's why Ravana encouraged such people always surround. அப்போவுமே ராவணான் ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுறவன் தான் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க முடியும். If anybody talk against Ravana, nobody can stay that place. This henchman always should be there. இந்த பக்கம் ஃப்ரண்ட்ல always. What you say? Yes sir, you wonder, your intelligence is so wonderful. அவனுக்கு உள்ளக்குள்ள தெரியும் இவன் பண்றதெல்லாம் அக்கிரமம்னு தெரியும். ஆனால் என்ன சொல்லுவான்? வாட் ஏ பிரில்லியன்ஸ், வாட் ஏ ஜீனியஸ் யூ ஆர்ன்னு சொல்லுவான். ஆனால் என்ன பண்ணுவான்? ஹி கிவ்ஸ் த ஒன் மாலா. an increment, promotion. இப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். This is called henchman. அப்படியே எப்பவுமே இருக்கணும். He always having. That's why he says always what? பலவான். என்ன பலவானா, இந்த ஜால்ரா இருக்கு எனக்கு பக்கத்தில். எத்தனை நாடு பகவான் ஒரு நாடு பண்ணி கொடுப்பாரு, நீக்கு குட்டு கொடுப்பாரு, விடமாட்டார் பகவான். Be careful. That's what Ravana was punished. Ravana was praised by many people. But Mandodari never bother. She knows all akramam of Ravana. In spite of that, she maintained her sanity, mental sanity. Mandodari. That's why Mandodari is a pratasmaraniya mahila. You have to remember Mandodari early morning. Who? Ravana's wife. Idenna akramam. Ravana's wife early morning, how can you remember? Anna? She is untouched. She never encouraged Ravana. At the same time, she maintained her sanity, mental sanity. Such a pure woman, Mandodari. But why Mandodari couldn't change Ravana? Swabhava. You cannot change that much easily. Therefore, Prahalada with in between Hiranyakashipu. But Prahalada is a Prahalada, a great devotee. நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா, எனக்கு இல்லை நோ கோஆப்ரேஷன் சுவாமினி. We say, my husband is not cooperating, my wife is not cooperating, children are not cooperating. இல்லை சும்மா. Really, if we have that courage towards dharma, towards value, who can make us to become weaker and nobody can touch us? How Prahalada stood. Small boy, how he stood. How Nachiketa stood. How Mandodari stood. How Draupadi stood. That's why you must have a courage and strong, bold mind he required. வீக் மைண்ட் பர்சன் எங்கேயும் இருக்க முடியாது அவனுக்கு. இதெல்லாம் உஃபுஃபு தான், காக்கி மாதிரி உஃபுஃபுன்னா கொஞ்சம் காற்று வந்தால் கீழே விழுந்துடுவான். That's why you read about that people, how many problems they have faced. Every bhakta, every devotee, every jnani, every great mahatma, every warrior, you take, they have faced so much. They have never compromised with their values. எல்லாம் இப்படி இருக்கு, இப்போ அப்படி இருக்க சுவாமினி சொசைட்டி அப்படி இருக்கேன்னு. இதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன ஜஸ்டிஃபைங் அவர் வீக்னஸஸ். யாருக்கு நஷ்டம்? மோட்சம் அங்கே இருக்கும், மோட்சம் அங்கே இருக்கும், நமக்கு வராது, அப்படி ஆகிடும். ஸோ we are only missing the moksha. We are only the losers. We are not the beneficiaries. The infinite, I have infinite ends, materialistic ends. I have, my end is infinite, that is Brahman. But if I have infinite materialistic ends, there is no end for my ends. My goals ku ende kadiyadu, materialistic. Whereas you take the infinite as an end, that is the ultimate. You can attain happiness. Now he claims that aham adhyaha asmi. I am the richest person. My chittappa vida naan richest person. My brother-in-law vida naan richest person. Avarku onnum kadiyadu. I am only having, telling to all people, adhyaha means dhanavan iti. That's why Tyagaraja sang, nidhi chala sukhama, ramuni sannidhi seva sukhama, nara jana yuta stuti, mukha stuti. Raja called Tyagaraja, you come and sing a song upon me. Unnu mele eppadi paada mudiyum? Ramar mele da paadavem paatanu sonna. Illa illa ennu mele oru slokam sollanu sonna. Raja, I will give lot of money to you. Nidhi chala sukhama, ramuni sannidhi sukhama ani paadaru. And Tyagaraja brother came and எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பாட்டெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சா I would have earned a lot of money. And always coming and pestering Tyagaraja's brother. You are wasting your scholarship, you are wasting your whole knowledge, you are not earning anything, you are begging that too. உனக்கு தெரியல எப்படி சம்பாதிக்கிறது. I will tell you, I will help you, come on, come along with me, I will publicize for you, you earn money and give it to me. Tyagaraja didn't compromise. That's why we are singing Tyagaraja Kirtana till today. And he has never succumbed for money, name. That's why in every music season, Tyagaraja, Sannuta paadinde irukkanum. Not our Tata name, Kolli Tata name. Inge centuries ago, Tyagaraja. Dhanam is not the criteria. But this person says, I am the richest person. Not only that, Abhijanavan, and I have a noble birth. I belong to a noble family, Dikshitar family, Ghana party family. Nee enna na party da. So, I have to, he is only claiming that I belong to Dikshitar family, I belong to Trivedi family, Dvivedi family, Chaturvedi family. We all belong to one Gotra, one Rishi Gotra, actually. Every one of us. Every Indian belong to a Rishi Gotra. But how much knowledge we have gotten? Nothing. I have to say, my great-grandfather is a scholar. In the Veetukku pona idida solluvam. People, my great-grandfather knows Sanskrit. In a Swami vandirukkaanle sollanume, my great-grandfather knows a scholar. He is a scholar. He has studied a lot of philosophy books. Ella padichirukkaru. Avarku andha vedam theriyum, indha vedam. Unakku enna theriyumna sandhyavandana mantrame seriya theriyadandi. Enna prayojanam solli enna? Idha Asuric nature. By telling that people remembering his own people and he is claiming that greatness belonged to him. But he comes under what? Asura. So Ravana father was a great scholar and a great bhakta. But what happened to Ravana? He himself is a great bhakta. But what nature he has got? Ravana is a great bhakta, Shiva bhakta. Every day he do Rudra Japam. Rudra Maharudram he do. But what is the use? What is the use? You cannot just say I am a great person. But how much you are having Daivi Sampati is important. Therefore, Abhijanavan, I have a noble birth, my family. Not only that, my great-grandfather, great-great-grandfather, he knows all of them. He wants to keep all of their records. Records ella vechinde. Even enna pandrana another Agnihotram pannirpa. Thiruvillio another Agnihotram. Always Abhishekam. Where Abhishekam? Ulla enna Abhishekam thani Abhishekam. Adella per sollakodadu. Adella secret. He is a great Upaska. Who anna? My great-grandfather. Unakku enna Japan theriyuma anna? Onnu theriyadunna. அப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. Your greatness is your greatness. Why you have to bring their greatness to yourself, claiming yourself? என்ன தப்பது? There are people telling about their ancestors' greatness as their greatness. வீடு பார்த்தா எல்லாம் வெஸ்டர்ன் கல்ச்சர். எந்த பொருள் பார்த்தா அப்படியே தொட்டா வெஸ்டர்ன் கல்ச்சர் எல்லாமே. பார்த்தா ஒரு இந்தியன் கல்ச்சரே தெரியாது அந்த வீட்டில். பாபம், they are crying, Pitrus will cry. இவனா இந்த மாதிரியா இப்படி பிறந்துட்டானே நமக்கு. என்ன இவனுக்கே அறியாமலே அந்த தனம் பிசாச்சம் சொல்லுவா. அந்த தன பிசாச்சன்ல சுக போக லாலசல he forgot all his vidhi. அதுவே he says Abhijanavan kaha anyaha asti sadrishaha maya. Who is there equal to me? Who is there? Kaha anyaha asti. Who is there? Maya sadrishaha. Equal to me. Nobody is equal to me. Enna garvam paarunga. Nobody is equal to me. Therefore, I shall perform yakshena. I shall perform what? Yajnam, yagam, homam, ella pannuva. Without faith. Enna? Because I have money. Because people should know what I am doing. Then you want to invite the people. I told you, we can't invite the people to show our things in our house. Not you, generally people call. சும்மா கூப்பிட்டா, ஏன் சும்மா கூப்பிட்டான்னு, புதுசாக சோஃபா செட்டு வாங்கியிருக்கோம், உட்கார் பாரு எப்படி இருக்கேன்னு. உட்கார்ந்து உள்ளே போயிட்டு இருக்கேன், அடுத்த நிமிஷமே பேக் பெயின் வந்துடும். We have to get up from that. The most sophisticated sofa set is in my house. பழசுதெல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டா நியூ இதெல்லாம் கொடுக்குறான் இல்லையா, அது ஒரு ஷாப்பில், ஏதோ ஒரு ஷாப்பில் கொடுப்பான். bring your old one, take a new one. அந்த மாதிரிலாம் வாங்கி எல்லாருக்கும் காமிச்சு இதுதான் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பான். யக்ஷேன் ஆறு யாகம், யக்ஞம், ஹோமம், ருத்ரம், ஜாப்பம் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணுவான் வீட்டில். டு ஷோ, இட் இஸ் எ ஷோ, not with out of devotion. Yakshe, not only that, dasyami, I give lot of money. Dasyami means I give charity. That charity also, he connect adu. Ivada kuduthan enak thirupi return la evada vara poradhu. How much I am going to get from this person again? If he is not going to give, I will grab somehow or other. Some people, they don't say directly, this much I am giving, you have to do and direct சொல்ல மாட்டான். ஒரு வாட்டி கொடுத்துட்டான்னா he is a debt to you, no? You somehow or other, this person will grab his energy from that, because I have given to you. இப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணுவா அக்ரமம். தாஸ்யாமி மோதிஷ்யே, I shall rejoice. Thus think these people, iti Ajnana vimohitaha. Why they think all in this manner? These Asuric people, why they think like this? Ajnana vimohitaha. Not out of gnanam. Gnanam endu idella pesa maata, ipdi think pannave maata. If gnanam is there. So those who are all having this type of thinking, they are all ajnana vimohitaha, are completely deluded by ignorance. Moham means delusion. Mohitaha means deluded by. By what? Ignorance. Ignorance about their higher nature. They give importance to anatma, body, sense, pleasures, and because of ignorance of atma, and which gives permanent happiness, they ignore, and they give importance to this anatma, which is keeping all the time insecure, and they are voting for this only. Are they ignorant or wise people? Ignorant people. Whoever vote for anatma, shariram, body, all these things, pleasures and all, they are ignorant people. They are all ajnanis. Ajnanis have no place in moksha. Ajnanis means, as long as you entertain your ajnana by this materialistic life, you can never enter the realm of that moksha. So, enna pannanum Swamini ellame vittitu varanuma anna. Vida venda, know their value, how much they are useful to us. Don't give more than that. Don't give much value more than that. If you give value for them more than they deserve, for any pleasure, any position, any property, you have to pay the price later. Jagrata. அப்போ ப்ரைஸ் பே பண்ணும்போது பார்க்குறேன்னா, அப்போ என்ன பார்க்குறது? ஒன்றும் பார்க்க முடியாது. By that time you will get old age, all faculties out by that time. That's why 99% of the society working for materialistic pleasures. Only 1%, because materialistic life is very easy, very simple, and you can easily succumb to that. ரொம்ப கோசிவாக இருக்கும், ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கும். 99% of society goes towards that. But 1% only come to the spiritual life. 1%. ஏன்னா இது கஷ்டம், இங்கே கஷ்டம். சாஸ்திரம் சொன்னது இப்படி இருக்கணும், அப்படி இருக்கணும், டிசிப்ளின்ஸு, இது பண்ணக்கூடாது, அது பண்ணக்கூடாது, இது பண்ண பாப்போம். இதில் க்ஷுரஸ்ய தாரா நிஷிதா துரத்யயா, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். Shastra says, Mahati Vinashti, there is infinite loss if you go that side. But they see the temporary benefit. They do not know the infinite loss. 1% only knows the infinite loss. Therefore they come to spirituality. Next shloka. Aneka chitta vibhrantaha moha jala samavritaha prasaktah kama bhogeshu patanti narakeshu chau. So these thoughts indicates their delusion. Their delusion, it is one delusion lead to another delusion. It is a continuously they'll fall. சொல்றாரு. Finally they fall. Where? Narakeshu. In hell. Aneka chitta vibhrantaha. Aneka means so many. In the form of concerns about anxieties, so many anxieties, desires, thoroughly confused in artham. Chitta vibhranti means confused by such innumerable wrong notions, false prestige, false estimations, wrong notions about oneself, about one's own lifestyle. Teriyavele. Aneka chitta vibhrantaha moha jala samavritaha. Samavritaha means encircled, caught by what? By the net of delusion. Moha jalam. Just as the bird gets caught by the net in the nest, and the net la poi, not nest, net la poi jalam, eppadi it loses its freedom, gets caught by the net. Hunter. Similarly, these all ignorant people caught by their delusion. Moha jalam. Therefore Shankaracharya says, ma kuru dhana jana yauvana garvam harati nimeshat. Never have pride by seeing your youth, money, wealth and all, people and all. All will vanish within no time. இப்படி கண்ணு திறந்து பார்க்கறதுக்குள்ள எல்லாமே finish. Okay? Give more importance to that. Prasaktaha, deeply engaged. No time for any spiritual life. Deeply engaged, morning to till night. And he is saying, see, you know, I am how much working. I am the person, important person in the office. In the office, வீட்டில் என்ன பண்ணுறான்னு, வீட்டை பற்றி நான் எனக்கு யோசிக்கிறதுக்கு டைமே இல்லைன்னா. Wrong. It's wrong. Any person say like that, this is wrong. It's a partial lifestyle. No, it's not a Vedic lifestyle. Other people, some people, I'll always think about the house only. Office பற்றி salary மாத்திரம் எடுத்துட்டு வருவான். அது ஒரு பக்கம். இது ரெண்டு எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமிட்டிஸ். என்ன காமபோகேஷு. They are all engrossed in the enjoyment of sense objects. What will happen? What is the consequence finally? Narakeshu ashuchau narake patanti. வைத்தரணி நதி. அந்த நதியில் கருட புராணம் எல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்க. என்ன மாதிரி நதிக்குள்ளே போயிடுவான் இந்த பீப்புள்னு. அந்த நதி எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ஃபுல் ஆஃப் பஸ், நாட் வாட்டர், ஃபுல் ஆஃப் பஸ் அண்ட் பிளட். அந்த நதிக்குள்ள இவன் டிராவல் பண்ணணும். போட்டு கீட் கிடையாது, ஸ்விம் பண்ணணும். ஆல் டெட் பாடிஸ் ஆர் ஆல்சோ ஃப்ளோட்டிங் இன் தட். அது வைத்தரணி நதி. அதை பற்றி நல்லா படித்தா நல்லா வைராக்கியம் வந்துடும். ஓகே. ரௌரவாதி நரக்கம்னு ஒரு நரக்கம் இருக்கு. அங்கே வந்து ஹாட் பிளேட்டு மீது அப்படியே தோசை போட்டுன மாதிரி போட்டுவிடும் இந்த ஜீவனை. ஆமாம், பூரி போட்டுன மாதிரி ஒரு ஆயில போட்டு அப்படியே எடுத்துடுவோம். இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்து அது புராணம்லாம் இல்லைன்னா இந்த ஆள் என்ன அக்கிரமம் எல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். ரௌரவாதி நரக்கம்னு பேர் நரக்கத்துக்கு. வைத்தரணி நதியில கூட போய் அதுக்கு தான் பத்தந்தின்னு சொன்னேன், கச்சந்தின்னு சொல்லலை. தெர் இஸ் நோ யுவர் சாய்ஸ் ஹியர். டமால்னு விழ வேண்டியதுதான். ஐயோ போயிட்டு பையனை கீழே விடுறேன் என்ன திங்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கூட டைம் கிடையாது. கச்சந்தேன்னா டெலிபரேட்லி யுவர் வில் பவர் யூ கேன் யூஸ். கச்சந்தே போகலாமா வேண்டாமா, போகலாமா வேண்டாம். இங்கே என்ன பத்தந்தி என்ன அப்படியே தெரியறது இல்லையா. You have no choice there. Therefore what? Be careful. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.